This is Eureka Math, Grade 3, Module 3, Lesson 13, Exit Ticket. Let's look at our first problem, number 3. 6 times 9 equals 54. What is 10 more than 54? So when they're asking for 10 more, that means we're going to add 10 to 54. So 54 plus 10, that's easy. That's 64. Now, our next problem says, what is 10 more than 54 and 1 less? So 1 less means we're going to subtract 1. So 54 plus 10 is 64, and 64 minus 1 is 63. So that means 7 times 9 equals 63, because 10 more and then 1 less, that means you're adding 9. So we're counting by 9s. Okay, let's try the 7s. 7 times 9 is 63. Yep. 8 times 9 is 72. What is 10 more than 72? So that means we're going to add 10. 72 plus 10 equals 82. Number 7. 8 times 9 equals 72. What is 10 more than 72 and 1 less? So we're basically adding 9, but instead of counting up by 9s, we can easily know what 10 more is. So 72 plus 10 is 82, and 82 minus 1 is 81. That makes it very easy to count by 9s. You go 10 more and then take away 1. So 9 times 9 is 81.